Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the file open and permission. Now reveal suggestions. First, make sure you have editor access or create a copy so changes are safe. Next, click the mode drop-down in the top right and choose Suggesting. This reveals inline suggested edits and the review panel. Once done, open Tools and select Review Suggested Edits to enter the centralized review interface where you can act on every suggestion without accidentally editing the base text. Now you'll process the suggestions. In the Review Suggested Edits panel, scan each change and click Accept or Reject so the document text updates correctly. This explains how the change alters meaning as you decide. If all suggestions are acceptable, use Accept All to apply them in bulk. Make sure to switch the mode back to editing when you want direct edits, rather than suggestions, so future changes modify the document immediately instead of creating suggestions. Finish by confirming the document displays no suggestion badges and that the content reads as intended. Share the finalized version or export it. If you want others to edit without suggestions, set their role to editor or change sharing to view, depending on your workflow. If proposals still appear, make sure you viewed Review Suggested Edits. If the panel isn't available, you may lack permission or need to open version history to resolve lingering changes. That usually fixes invisible suggestion issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.